What is investing? A place where a select few make millions and the average person loses, or a place where you need a master's degree in just to understand? The truth is neither. Here at Rich Picks Daily, we have created a community that encourages learning, support, and more importantly, gives a helping hand to new investors. Some of these learning tools include our 24/7 chat room, access to our online training center, and a supportive community that will walk you through every step of your investing journey. And these are just a few of the tools that Rich Picks Daily has to offer. And if you sign up today, for every person that you refer to Rich Picks Daily to start their investing journey, you can receive up to $60 for every person you refer. For example, if you referred 10 people, that would be $600 per month. Or if you referred 100 people, it would be $6,000 per month. Also, anyone who brings in 3 or more referrals in a month, you qualify to win $500 monthly bonus as a pro member and a $250 bonus as a basic member. And the individual with the most referrals wins the bonus. If you bring in 6 or more referrals in a month, you qualify to win $1,000 monthly bonus as a pro member and a $500 monthly bonus as a basic member. And once again, the individual with the most referrals wins the bonus. If no one qualifies, the bonus doubles for the next month. And if there's a tie, the bonus will be split amongst the winners with the most referrals. These are just a few of the many benefits we have to offer here at Rich Picks Daily, and it's completely free to become a member. So stop by Rich Picks Daily today and begin your investing journey one step at a time.